Fellas, you ready for another freaking Facebook market page addiction of Toyota first gen, well, Toyota freaking 4Runners? And dude, these things are actually looking pretty freaking mint, I'll say. Yeah, this one's the cheapest, the most scummiest freaking cheapest Toyota 4Runner we can find, going for 2,500 bucks, and whoo, ain't looking too shabby there, buddy. A lot of parts there, I would say more as in, looks pretty freaking complete, ready to rock and roll. Says really optioned out 89 4Runner with a 3.0 engine needs work. We had has old tires, but they hold air. Wait, really? Is that actually true? Whew. This is a project, he says. I have three tires. Okay, you get an 8% tread. Okay, you kind of get the gist. This thing's a project, needs some love. I mean, it ain't looking too shabby for 2,500 bucks, dude. That's a killer steal for one of these gems of beauty. But the best part about it is a freaking manual, dude, with only 270,000 freaking miles on it. Oh, bro. That's a freaking orgasm and a half, I'd say for sure. Dude, I don't know about what you fellas are cooking with, but would you cop it for 2,500? Dude, I fucking sure would. Yeah, it's only listed 12 hours ago in Grants Pass OR, so I'm assuming down in the States somewhere, aka America. But dude, this thing's actually not looking too freaking bad. Imagine owning this gem of a beauty. I'd love to go and cop it, but though I feel like, why the fuck are you collecting more vehicles? I don't understand the point of your addiction. Well, it's like, well, I could either be addicted towards drugs or I could be addicted towards vehicles. You have two options there, sweetheart. Choose one. Or would you rather end up buying this $3,500 one 1988 Toyota 4Runner listed 6 weeks ago? How has this thing not been sold yet? Dude, $3,500. That's a good freaking killer steal for one of these gems of a beauty. Oh yeah, I forgot to well, hold up a second. Nah, here's the description. Everything you get to check out. Tailgate window does not work. Okay, it does not function. I mean, I guess you'd say has rear heating, runs and drives, but not well. Okay, here's the description. If you guys want to pause, check through it, that's for you. Or unless you guys want me to read through this type of stuff more, let me know down below in the comments. But this one's a 88 4Runner with a 3VZE 3-liter engine, runs and drives like a champ. Whoo. This one runs like a champ, and the other one doesn't really, eh? A little bit of surface rust, but it's all solid, low kilometers engine. Don't need the space for this one. Would daily, but my dirt bike won't fit in the back. I mean, that's totally understandable. But holy freaking A, we got another gem of a beauty. Manual transmission with 260,000. Wait, this one's in kilometers though. Wait, is it? Hold up. This one is in miles. This one's in kilometers. Come on. But they're both manual. Pretty darn close. If that was like so-called kilometers. This one's kilometers though. Manual transmission ain't looking too shabby. Yeah, a little surface rust here and there, but it ain't hurt the freaking gem of a beauty. Look at that. Look at the dog. The dog's like, yeah, bro. Woof, woof. This is my truck. Woof, woof. Man, woof, woof. Freaking speed. I show speed like freaking anybody. Ain't too shabby. How has this thing not been sold yet? Yeah, it was listed 6 weeks ago in Kamloops, BC. Freaking A, fellas. Mm, that's a fucking huge price jump right there. 14 fucking grand. Holy. It's a 1997 Toyota 4Runner listed 2 days ago in, wait, where? In Trail, BC. I mean, this thing's actually fudging minty, my guy. Oh, look at the rims on that. Frick, body. These rims are minty. I wonder if he's got them from custom offset. Frick, dude. Third gen 400 looking beauty. 440 freaking thousand kilometers on an automatic transmission. Yo, what the fuck is bro smoking here? He's like, yeah, I got 440,000 kilometers trying to get what 14 grand for this thing and that many freaking kilometers. What have you been smoking, my guy? I get it. It's freaking clean. Like, whoa. Really clean. Nah, wait, hold up. No, 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 not that clean. They got a bit of rust here, got a bit of rust here, but come on. 440,000 kilometers? What the fuck are you smoking to try and get 14 grand? I mean, I get it. It's all clean and everything. Sunroof, new champion, aluminum radiator, AC starter. Okay, he's done a lot towards it, I guess. So maybe he isn't smoking too much. He might be a reasonable. Maybe he might. Well, hold up. It's been listed for 2 days. Give it some time, fellas. If nobody buys it, he's going to lower the price. I mean, I'm surprised this fucking guy hasn't even lowered the price. He's firm on it. He's like firm on that firm handshake. He's like gripping that dong as he's doing it. He's like, dude, I ain't letting this shit go for less than 3,500. Maybe this guy will sell for less. No, it's 12 hours ago. This one's 6 weeks ago. For some reason, I almost said 3. It's got 17-inch fuel rims with general tires, tow hitch, spare tire carrier, red Redline hood struts, custom grill, all windows work, 440,000 kilometers, stored in heated garage for winters. I mean, dude, that's freaking minty. No wonder why it's so beautiful. That is freaking gnarly. Imagine buying this for 14 grand. I don't know what you'd be smoking to buy, but fellas, would you go and cop this for 14 freaking grand? That's kind of fucking nutty. Or would you rather end up smoking a whole lot more, like 25 grand, yet this thing's a front solid axle? Whoo, ain't too shabby. 350,000. Okay, hold up. 350,000 kilometers, manual transmission, listed 3 days ago in Carstairs, Alberta. It's a 1991 Toyota 4Runner. What the fudge is going on here, my guy? Let's see. Oh, he's cooking and ducking, man. He's stirring that crock pot. He's teasing us. It's got a nice freaking solid front axle with a nice bumper, rock size rear bumper, and it's actually fudging clean, bro. I wonder if these are like 40-inch tires. Those tires look freaking fresh, too. Nice bead locks too, dude. Oh, everything works as it should. Not a daily, but can be street driven, no problem. Lots I'm forgetting, I'm sure, with my work schedule and kids' sports. I don't really have the time to use it. Ah, man, that's the worst part about growing up in life. You realize you get these toys, and then you're like, man, I don't really have time for these things anymore. Well, that's what I'm going to try and do and get my time back so I can start doing this type of stuff more. And that's what I'm trying to rock with this channel. I'm doing it for fun, having fun, just showing you guys these things. I'm like, wackadoo, bro. What the fuck? I'm kidding. You know, like, oh, okay. What is he saying? He says, having said that, it doesn't need to go anywhere. Do your homework on parts before you complain about the price. Look, oh, I mean, fair enough, buddy. I guess you are smoking something good in a reasonable price, but like, come on now. Dude, he is rocking 40-inch tires. I was fucking right. Wait, was I? I don't know. Play back, fellas. Was I? I don't know. Rear disc brakes ain't looking too shabby. Modified trail gear, front and rear 3 links. Okay. Oh, dude, you just get everything here. The whole freaking wapadoo. And dude, I'm loving these pics. This is a fucking turn on, dude. Oh, damn. Look at these seats. Oh, look at all those gears. Look at the fucking flex on that. Dude, this is so beauty, freaking gorgeous, fellas. Okay, if you're not getting a hard on over this, what the fuck are you doing, bro? I mean, like, come on now. Oh, hey, look at the flex on this gem of a beauty. I know it's a weird obsession. I love Toyotas. I love off-roading. I don't know about you fellas. What do you guys rock with? Ain't looking too shabby to me. I mean, it's a good fucking bang for your buck. I'd say 25 fucking grand. That'd be me selling my 4Runner and going buying this. Like, I would get nowhere close to my 4Runner for this something. But like, dude, 25 fucking grand and it's this gem of a beautiful. Yeah, if you really think about it, everything of the time and effort of money he's put in towards it is really worth the fucking 25 grand. It's a 91 22 RE. Wait, still a 22 RE in there? Dude, I freaking swap that thing out and throw it into a little diesel engine, you know? As in, like, from a Volkswagen, I throw that in, like, one of those little TDIs, or take a BU and throw that in. Those things are freaking nutty with the torque. You need the torque if you're going off-roading. I feel like, personally, gases just don't have the torque. I love diesels for the torque. You know? I mean, I don't know, fellas. 4 freaking banger options. Which one will you choose? He's showing the pics. A good amount of tires. Just tread, you know, even. Like, dude, this thing's freaking nutty, bro. I don't know about you fellas. What are you guys rocking with so far in today's video? Let me know your thoughts. Going from the cheapest, scummy cheapest, these 2 banger options. First gen Toyota 4Runners going to the third. Wait, what? Yeah, going to the third, going to a second gen. These things are freaking nutty. Which one would you choose out of these 4 options, or would you buy them all? I mean, and realistically, you only get to choose one. Which one would you choose, and which one would it be? Or what do you drive? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next. Peace.